Hello friends, in the last video we saw how to summarize Berkshire Hathaway annual reports for getting insights for a retail investor. We can extend this kind of use case for many such documents or inputs. Another most important thing is MOSL wealth creation study which they release on an annual basis that you can summarize, but you cannot use the same approach whatever you used for the earlier two documents, that is Howard Marks memo and Berkshire Hathaway annual report. There is some concept called as the limit of input and output, which a Gen A model has. I need to discuss about that limit and then show the approach what I take for, what we should take for summarizing wealth creation studies. Now I discuss a much important topic on chats or chatbot, creating kind of chatbots. Friends, when you get into a Gen A model platform, you'll find on the left, for example, in case of ChatGPT, you will find on the left there are details of chats whatever you had in the past. This is called as chat or conversation based on the model which you are using. This you can slightly customize it and use as kind of chatbots. So that is what we are going to discuss in this video. You will have a dedicated chat for each purpose or each activity or each use case. Like one chat for summarizing Howard Box memo, one chat for summarizing con call transcripts, one call for summarizing BRK letters, and so on. Why this is occurred or how this will be helpful is this approach reduces the need to remember the prompt or type the prompt every time when you do this analysis. Till you decide to change the prompt, you need not again key in the prompts. So it saves a huge amount of time, and each chat acts like a kind of a microbot for that use case. Let me explain that this approach in this video, and for the sake of this thing, I go here and type this is a dedicated chat for Howard Marks memo summary. You mention your intent that this is going to be a dedicated chat and says yes. It is asking, should I provide a summary of his most recent memos? You are going to deny no and say no. Whenever I upload a Howard Box memo, use the following prompts to summarize. And I'm putting the prompt here. That's whatever we discussed in our earlier video on Howard Marks memo. This is going to be a structured prompt which we are going to use it to extract insights from the Howard Marks memo, whatever we upload. So whenever I upload a Howard Marks memo in this chat, use. Okay, this no also let me remove it. I am going to say that whenever I upload a memo, use the following prompt to summarize. So it is going to use this prompt. Okay. And you are going to ask, did you understand? Did you understand? This is just to ensure that it has understood your requirement properly. It will summarize your requirement saying it has understood it. Here comes understood. Whenever you upload a Hover Monk memo, I'll summarize it following the structured approach. Feel free, whatever it is. Now I'm going to upload a same memo, whatever I had earlier. Now I'm not going to give the prompt. It's only I'm attaching it and I'm going to submit it. It is going to read, and in line with our prompt structure, it is going to give the summary. Now I attach one more document also. After this, you need not give prompt again. All you need to do is just attach the document and you will get the output like this. So in this way, you can create multiple such. Here on the left now we can see Howard Marks memo summarization. You can create multiple such chats and use those dedicated charts only for that activity. Say analysis of 10-year financial statements, technical analysis, or financial forensic analysis. So like that, you can have one channel each where you key in the uh, prompt once and reuse the same prompt again and again, and only the input changes. So this is going to be a huge time saver for you. And you can create one more, like this is a new chart to summarize Warren Buffett letters. It'll acknowledge and say, oh yeah, we can do it something like that. And then following the same approach, whatever we did in our previous chat, you have to give the prompt structure, whatever we used in the last video, whatever for Warren Buffett letter, there is a video, there is a prompt, that prompt you have to put it here, and it remembers that for this chat, for whenever I go to Warren Buffett letter summary and upload a PDF file, the model understands that this prompt is applicable and accordingly generates the output as we requested in the structure. So friend, this you can create a lot of charts, like one for summary, then analysis of auditors report, analysis of related party transactions, analysis of 10-year financial statements. You can do a lot of things like that. So this is just a key, what can I say, feature or a hack which can save you a lot of time, particularly in remembering the prompt, saving the prompt, or typing the prompt every time. So I'll catch you soon again in the next video. Till then, bye friends.